Okay, so welcome. Today I'll be demonstrating how to calculate simple net present value given the cash flows. All right. So let's look at this example. I'll be quick. I wish I could take 7 minutes to 10 just to explain how to calculate simple net present value given the net cash flows. Okay. So first things first, I need to understand for how long is this project. So this project is a 5-year project with the following cash flows: $15,000 in year 1, $25,000 in year 2, $30,000 in year 3, $20,000 in year 4, and $15,000 in year 5. And it will cost $50,000 to implement the project. If the required rate of return is 4%, conduct a discounted cash flow calculation to determine the NPV. So the first thing is I have my table, which will look like this. So I need to go, since it's 5 years, so I need to do 7 of these going this side. And then, yeah, 5 for the cash flow. And then 1 more row for the cost, and another row for the heading and the answers. Okay, this side I need to go 4 times like that. All right, so I have that. Here I will indicate period. Let me just zoom it up. Yeah, there I'll indicate period. And then here I'll say net cash flows. And then here I'll say discount factor, DF. I've been given 4% as the required rate of return. So discount factor at 4%. And then here I'll say present value. So my period will start from period 0. Yes, my period will start from period 0, period 1, way up to 5. Period 2, period 3, period 4, and period 5. There. Let me add some more. And I'll need now the last one where I'll put my NPV. So in period 0, what you indicate is the cost of implementing the project. And since it's a cost to be negative, and negative is usually indicated by putting brackets, so the cost is 50,000. So I'll quickly put the 50,000 in the brackets. Then 15,000 year 1, 25,000 year 2, 30,000 year 3. 15,000 year 1. 25,000 year 2. Cash flows in dollars, of course. 30,000 year 3. $20,000 year 4 and 15,000 year 5. $15,000 year 5. So after doing this, I want you to understand that the discount factor for year 0, it doesn't matter the percentage here. The discount factor for year 0 will always be 1. Yeah, the discount factor for year 0 will always be 1. Okay. Now I'm looking for the discount factor for year 2, for year 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 at 4%. So see, I've downloaded the table here. So the percentages at this side, my area of interest, is 4%. So 4% is here. So for year 1, 4%, it will be that number there. For year 2, 4%, it will be that number there. Year 3, that. Year 4, that. And year 5, that. So those are the numbers that I'll pick as my discount factors at 4%. Remember, the discount factor can change from question to question. So depending on the question that you have, you might need to select the appropriate percentage for your discount factors and the appropriate number of years or periods, as the case would be. So these are the numbers that I'll pick. Okay, just delete that. Okay. So the first one is 0.9615 for year 1. Year 0, it will always be 1, like I said. 0.9615. The second one is 0.924. The third one is 0.8890. The fourth one at percentage number 4, period 4. The fourth one is 0.8548. 0.8548. 0.8548. And the one for year 5, is 0.8219. 0.8219. There I go. And quickly I can calculate my present values now. Negative 50,000 multiplied by 1, that would be negative 50,000. So I'm simply multiplying the net cash flows with the discount factors. 15,000 multiplied by 0.9615. I have 14,422.5. Then 25,000 multiplied by 0.9246. I have 23,115. 30,000 multiplied by 0.8890. I have 26,670. Then 20,000 multiplied by 0.8548. I have 17,000 0.96. And then 15,000 multiplied by 0.8219. I have 4,328.5. Now I can find my NPV. My NPV is very simple now. I'll simply add all the positive cash flows, these ones, and remove this negative cash flow, the 50. So I'll simply start adding from the bottom and then remove the 50. Then I have my NPV. So 12,328.5 plus 17,096 plus 26,670 plus 23,115 plus 14,422.5 minus 50,000. Remember, I'm minusing the 50,000, I'm subtracting. Then I have 43,632 as my NPV. So that's how you calculate the NPV, and this project can be said to be financially viable since it has a positive NPV. Thank you so very much.